What is it, Bubba? He looks sad because of the mess we see here before us. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to get to 60 today. That means all the snow will melt, which is good. And since it's so warm, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the valves on that motor one more time just to set my mind at ease. And then I'm gonna pull it off the stand. I'm gonna get this stuff here outdoors. I'm gonna see about pushing that brown truck up in here and set that motor in it at least. Maybe even hear it run this weekend, but this stuff's clogging up my shop and it needs a good cleaning. Maybe a few of you would agree. Well, we've tidied up a little bit, not too much. I don't want to get it too clean. And I started working on this. I put a new thermostat in it just to be on the safe side. I'm going to take my radiator hose off and look at that, would you please? Have to fix that before the next time I run a motor on it. But it's not a showstopper right now. Look out there. Still some snow. But I'm in my shirt sleeves. It's warm. If you don't like the weather around here, just wait a couple days. Well, Little Miss came out and helped me, and we dragged the truck in here.
Don't forget Mrs. Chevy, she helped push.
Oh yeah, she helped push. It's warm, see, and she came out of her cocoon in the house.
I hate being cold.
And I found the battery I couldn't find the other day. It was in this truck. Maybe I got too many vehicles if I can't remember what's what. Anyway, I'm going to put this in there. Hear that? Neighbor got him a Harley Sportster with 8 hangers. Well, that's cool, I guess. Alright, it's sitting in there. It's home. Just got to put the motor mount bolts in, put the bell housing bolts in, and she'll be good. I can put everything else together. Little Miss helped me. She's pretty handy sometimes. Well, now it's getting dark 30. I ain't been doing much videoing. I don't know why. I gotta quit saying that, don't I? I'll turn the camera on when I get good and ready, and I ain't been ready. Anyway, I've been hard at it here. Well, fairly hard at it. I had to help Little Miss put the four-wheeler together. That's done, so they can ride around and tear it up. I've been fighting with this thing. This aftermarket AC brackets. What a conglomeration that is. This bolt goes in the adjuster on the power steering pump. That goes through the water pump. These go to the head, and I got one more to get in back there. But it's going okay. I got the exhaust kind of mocked up under there, the one I took off that parts truck I had. I'm going to have to do a little MacGyvering, but it'll work. And pretty soon, this one should be running. And several people have been asking about this 46 Ford. They want me to get going on it because they watch the channels for the 46 Ford. I'm sorry, folks. There's only one of me. I got a full-time job. This one's for the little man. He's got a ways to go before he's driving. It's kinda on the back burner. I need to get after it so I can back it in and out of the garage, but I need to get this one together and sell it probably, or do something. And I got a couple more. Some you ain't seen, but I got them. Need to make some money to support this habit. That's the problem. You gotta have some money. Well, I pushed it out. That's a heavy truck, by the way. And I think I'm gonna call it a night. Not a bad day's work. I got it mostly together. Radiator in, accessories on. Can't see nothing. You just have to believe me. I gotta finish the exhaust. I gotta do something different with the oil pressure sender. It won't go in the block by the oil filter like the previous one did because I can't get the plug out. So I'm gonna fool with that, and I gotta get the coolant temp sensor in it, or sender I should say. And the exhaust, I think I already said that. Put some antifreeze in it. Put the hood back on. Do smoky 4-wheel drive burnouts. Okay. Since I'm here solo, that's it, folks. I'm tired.